And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to go live with a guest split screen. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to go live with a guest, all you gotta do is simply open your Instagram app, and once you open it, simply swipe to the left hand side to access the camera. Once you're in the left hand side, you can simply find the live button on your screen. Now you need to simply tap on the live button. You will be going like live and everyone can see you. This is basically starting your live broadcast. So now once you're live, simply tap on add guest icon, which looks like a video camera with a plus sign or two faces at the bottom of the screen. So as you see, I'm going live right now. So now when people are there, you can find this option, like you can simply find this op called add friends. Simply tap on it and you can simply invite people to join you on your live. Now when your guest appears, they will receive a notification and they will appear on your screen. Once they accept, the screen will split to include them, and you can add up like 2 to 3 guests in total. Now to remove your guest, tap on the X icon on the video panel during the broadcast. So this is how you can simply go live with a guest with split screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.